Hi, I'm Justin Michael of Justin Michael Events, a full-service corporate event planning and production company. We're here at our second annual car show at the beach, sponsored by Coldwell Banker, a benefit for the Wounded Warrior Project. We've got things like silent auctions, raffle prizes, and a variety of classic and exotic vehicles. So take a look around at the cars and the events and give us a call so we can do the same type of work for you. The whole purpose of today's event is a benefit for the Wounded Warrior Project that provides services for our wounded servicemen and servicewomen. 100% of the proceeds that we raise today through the auction, through the raffles, and through admission to the car show goes to benefit the Wounded Warrior Project. Actually doubled in size since last year. This year we're expected to raise over $10,000, featuring over 30 vehicles and a spectacular event.